Welcome back to Rahul Texture Art. Today we are going to create another beautiful journey into the world of textured abstract art. Whether you are a complete beginner, an entry level artist, an experienced painter, or a self taught creator learning through passion and curiosity, this channel is a place where everyone can learn, experiment, and enjoy the magical process of creating art. Textured art is not about perfection, it is about exploration, expression, and the joy of watching simple materials transform into something extraordinary. So gather your texture medium, acrylic colors, palette knives, brushes, and all your favorite tools. Prepare your canvas, and let's begin this wonderful creative adventure together. The real magic of textured art begins with layering. Layer by layer, little by little, beautiful depth starts appearing on the canvas. Each raised texture tells its own story and creates an exciting surface full of movement and character. This stage is always fascinating because we are not simply painting colors, we are building an entire landscape of textures. Today, we are creating a heavy, textured, abstract artwork. One of my favorite styles because heavy textures bring life, depth, and personality to the painting. Thick layers create beautiful elevations and valleys that interact wonderfully with light and shadows. This is where the canvas slowly transforms into something sculptural and truly unique. Now comes one of my favorite little secrets, the bottle cap. Sometimes the most magical tools are the simplest ones. This tiny everyday object can create beautiful circular impressions and interesting patterns that add charm and character to the composition. It reminds us that creativity has no limits. You don't always need expensive tools. Sometimes imagination itself becomes the greatest artist. After creating all these wonderful textures, patience becomes our best friend. We now allow the artwork to dry naturally. This waiting period is important because strong and well dried textures provide the perfect foundation for the next stages. Great art teaches us that beautiful things often require patience. For today's painting, I have chosen one of my most favorite color combinations, an earthy theme. Earthy colors always bring warmth, calmness, and timeless elegance. I am using black, white, burnt umber, golden yellow, and olive green. Together, these colors create a rich and harmonious balance inspired by nature itself. Every shade complements the other beautifully, making this composition one of my personal favorites. Now comes an important stage, applying a white coat. This layer helps soften the harshness of the black background while beautifully enhancing the raised textures. As the white settles gently across the surface, the textures begin to emerge with even greater clarity. Suddenly, light and shadow start dancing together, creating depth and dimension that make the artwork feel alive. one of the most important techniques in this entire painting, the sponge technique. Using white with a sponge creates wonderful contrast against the raised structures. This gentle touch highlights the elevations while preserving the beauty of the texture beneath. It is amazing how such a simple technique can completely transform the visual impact of the artwork. Contrast is what gives textured paintings their dramatic and captivating appearance. Next comes the final touch-up with black. This stage is all about refinement and balance. By carefully introducing black around selected areas, we create beautiful shadows that emphasize the raised structures against the plain background. These shadows add mystery, depth, and a sense of realism. The textures become more pronounced, and the painting begins to reveal its true personality. And finally, the moment we have been waiting for, the final reveal. From simple materials and layers of texture, a stunning, heavy, textured abstract artwork has emerged. This beautiful textured abstract art acrylic painting demonstrates how palette knife techniques and beginner-friendly painting methods can produce extraordinary results. Every raised texture, every highlight and every shadow contributes to a composition filled with elegance, depth, and character. I hope this painting inspires you to pick up your palette knife, trust your creativity, and enjoy the process without fear.